All right, guys, so we have ours installed. You can face it another way if you guys want, but there's so many different ways you can do this. So if we put it that way, you won't see as much, but not really worried about it. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video with your best friend. That's right, Scott. So guys, we are checking out AmazerBath's multi-unit here. So this is a toilet paper storage. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside the box. We're gonna go ahead and set it up for you. We're gonna let you know how hard it is to set up or how easy it is. You know, you just never know. And in life, I know if you're like me, sometimes you just like things to be simple. So let's hope it's simple. So in the box, well, first of all, the instructions is one page, so that's a good sign. All right, my friends, so this is it. It's just a nice, basically all the boards and all the screws and everything look to be in here. And it's basically just piecing everything together. So it's basically just comes down to screwing everything together, putting everything in, and that's it. So more or less, probably more time consuming than anything. So you got wheels, it does roll. They give you, oh, they actually give you a screwdriver. Well, that's nice. All right, so yeah, it's just basically the wooden pieces in here and you just put it together. So all right, guys, so we have ours installed. You can face it another way if you guys want, but there's so many different ways you can do this. So if we put it that way, you won't see as much, but not really worried about it. So put it in the back here. Good storage for using stuff. And again, wherever you guys want to put it, you guys can put it.